Good Monday morning to Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for March 23rd, 2015. Mostly sunny day today with high pressure situated across southeastern Canada. It's going to hang around there for the next day or two here, and this is high pressure is actually going to move very, very slowly to the southeast, and it's going to be over top of our area tomorrow. So tomorrow, any chance that you have any lesser of a chance of having any clouds at all on Tuesday rather than today. You have a little disturbance that's going to be moving to our southwest here. Not expected to affect our coverage area here. The only thing you're going to get out of this is partly cloudy skies overnight Monday night. But this quickly just dies out as it heads south to the east here. It's not even going to continue southeast here. The next frame here you see pretty much just fizzles and falls apart. And that would be in the overnight hours Monday night. Again, just partly cloudy skies across our coverage area as a result of that. And then we get into Tuesday here. You can see what I was talking about here. High pressure now situated a little bit further east here, a little bit stronger, and it's extending all the way down into our coverage area here. So there's a very strong high pressure here, and this is going to allow for some bright and sunny skies here on Tuesday afternoon, just like today. And it continues into Tuesday evening. Now, we're going to have a system moving to our west here, actually well to our west. That's going to track right over Chicago, and then eventually head into southeastern Canada. So it's going to take a path kind of like this up here in this direction here. Could be a passing shower here with this, but mostly our northwest sections, northern sections, northwest sections may be experiencing the shower here. But this is actually what's going to bring a warm front through the area here and allow us to warm up considerably by the time we get into late or overnight Wednesday night, and especially during the day on Thursday. And then this system here to our west here, going to bring some showers here on Thursday early. Might be a little bit of a break in the afternoon here, but there's a system cutting to our west here, an associated cold front with it. Out ahead of it, there's going to be some very, very strong surge of a very strong surge of warm air moving out ahead of this system here, and we're going to get into some very warm conditions here on Thursday. In fact, Thursday might feature the highest temperature this year for some locations across our coverage area. Now these are projected temperatures by the GFS. These are matched by the European model. It took the European model a while to catch on over the weekend. We're looking at this over the weekend and thinking, wow, there's a lot of disagreement here. The European model is about 15 degrees cooler than the GFS, and one of these are going to win out. And actually, the GFS temperatures look like it's going to actually be what is the winning combination of temperatures here, because the European model has caved to it. And here you have 60s going all the way up to this point right here. These are all 60-degree readings here, north of that line that I'm drawing right there, or south of this line, I should say. And even north of there, you're still in the mid to upper 50s. So very warm temperatures, and in some places are going to be the highest temperatures we've received in 2015 so far. Now, of course, we'll only have been dealing with January, February, March so far, and they're expected to be colder, but these are some very, very warm temperatures that are expected here on Thursday afternoon before this cold front moves through, and that's that surge ahead of the cold front. As it does move through here, it's going to be accompanied by showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm. The soundings are indicating that there might be just enough instability around, definitely enough bulk shear to include the threat for thunderstorms. Now, not a widespread deal. It'll be very isolated, but don't be surprised if you do see a thunderstorm here Thursday evening with this with the cold front arriving, and then that pushes through in the overnight hours, and then Friday turns out turns out to be a much improved day as far as not expecting precipitation. The only problem is we get into the weekend here, and it's going to get quite cold. Not expecting precipitation here on Saturday, but we're talking about temperatures that are going back down south again. We're talking about temperatures that are going to go well below normal for this time of year. Normal now is in the low to mid 50s across our coverage area. We're talking about highs that are going to be upper 30s to near 40 on Saturday. So, kind of like give and take here. We're going up and down, up and down, up and down. This is typical of March weather here, but we're going to have this continue here for the next I'd say the next week to 10 days at least, and then we'll see what happens when we get into April. Looks like April's going to start off this way too. So it's going to be around for a while. We're going to have this colder, the average, even though we're going to get up to 62 degrees in some areas, low to mid 60s here across our coverage area here on Thursday. the general idea here is most days it's below normal, and then you might have a big surge one day where you get really warm, maybe a day or two, and then it goes right back in the tank again. That's what we're going to be doing here for the next couple weeks here. That's wash, rinse, repeat pattern. And hopefully for those who are done with the snow like myself, hopefully we're not seeing any kind of snow events, and that while it does time itself perfectly with the cold weather when it's here. So if we can keep that away, that'll be just fine with me. I think we can deal with the cold, up and down cold temperatures and warm temperatures when it does come, until we get into more of a consistent transition into consistently warm temperatures as we head into probably the second or third week of April. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for March 23rd, 2015. Have a great Monday.